Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. It does have a sunroof. See the 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and GLE 350 badging. Power open and close of the trunk. Plenty of trunk space here. And let's come around here. And we have our rear seats. We have blind spot assist, and our driver's side seat controls, memory seats, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle, 135,411. Does have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and a backup camera. And if you'd like to see any more photos of this vehicle or any others, just see our website at feldmanimports.com.